Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Vadim, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to refresh your old grout. These are shots before, and I'm starting with cleaning floor. Try to make sure that your floor is completely clean and you do not have any dirt left. I'm gonna be using a Grout Renew. For this application, I purchased this product in Home Depot, and I chose bright white color. This is just a little plate I'm gonna be using for a grout. Couple of brushes I have here, and a napkin. So these are Miracle Grout pens that I used before, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I will not recommend them to anyone, because if you want to refresh grout in the same room as I'm doing right now, it's gonna cost you about $25, or you can buy the same bottle as I bought and it's gonna cost you $13, so it's much cheaper. So I'm starting with applying a new grout over an old one, and do not worry if you paint a bit of tile, because you can always wipe it out with a napkin. So here is me wiping out excess of grout, and I think I'm getting a really amazing result. It's really great refresh look. Amazing. And guys, you have to have patience, because this work is gonna take you some time, especially if you have a lot of spaces where you have to refresh your grout. And one thing I want to add, if you have the same spot as I have here with darker grout, you have to reapply a grout a couple of times until you get a desired color. Just wait until grout dries and then apply next coat of grout. This is the final result. I think everything looks amazing, and tile now looks like new with refreshed grout. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.